Kesana tatapang lukaku, kerenggang depetku, kaluguran daka kasih, agyasan ang mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakit mo, kaluguran daka ho'y tamo.
Kailangan pinabigyan na kami, miso nung malyari mo pinakita na kapi, so ni kailang mamalyari. Adwa ka tamong magsabi, yung kaluguran na kapilang beses ko lang sinabi, ikwayo ng may gawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, yung puso ay alas. Sinapak niya mong balas, yung puso kong may pik, hindi na naskuka, kachopa neyati. Noong balo mo mo sana, wala gawang ko ini, ay nisabyung ko na kaluguran na kasi. Noong may pulumawot, talo kong manasapit, basta ikasaya ka, at nagkamanasapit. Ngayon ang buri mo, apalamdaman ko, damdaman ko, tamaliit ko, pataminan ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alana kong iwanan o papawal ko.
Eto sana tatapang lukaku, kerenggang depetku, kaluguran daka kasih, agyasan ang mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakitku, kaluguran daka.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, papigilin niya dahil mahal kita. Kaluguran na ka ay yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit. Mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayokong masaktan, ayokong mabalisa. Mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa. Sitwasyon ko na sa arkabyadong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan. Bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y damayan. Hanggang ako'y malasing at tuluyang magraneng, pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising. Ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko nang makita, baka lalong masaktan. Ayokong umiyak, ubus na haluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alalayo.
Eto sana tatapang lukaku, kerenggang depetku, kaluguran daka kasih, agyasan ang mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakitku, kaluguran daka ho'y tamo.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's up, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing at all about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to the studio or I can mouth it. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a tree and sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and I'm married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Eto sana tatapang lukaku, kerenggang depetku, kaluguran daka kasih, agyasan ang mimiwasku, lalu mo mana sakitku, kaluguran daka ho'y tamo.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang. Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako, luhay pumatak.